Paul Kosick, you launched the Huntington U.S. Equity Rotation Strategy ETF in July. How has the reaction been so far?
I think it's been pretty good. It's a new ETF, obviously, and it's a different ETF in that it's an active rather than a passive. So passive tries to match an index. What this is trying to do is beat it.
And how does the rotation work?
Well, basically what we do is 70% of the portfolio is benchmarked to the S&P 1500, and 30% is invested in two best sectors of the S&P 1500. It could be, right now it's technology and healthcare. And basically what we're trying to do is that 30% is going to be what tries to beat the return of the index.
And what are the most heavily weighted stocks in the ETF right now?
Apple Computer is the biggest, followed by Abbott Labs and Merck and Pfizer and Exxon.
And when is the next rotation? And how do you know when to rotate, and how do you know what to rotate to?
All right, it's a $64,000 question. We have a committee of people that have been doing this for a long time, and what they do is they look at the overall economy, the U.S. financial markets. They're looking at different sectors, and based on that, that's what they do is they choose the two sectors that we're in. And right now it's healthcare and technology, and that's basically because we think we're like a trading range, and so a trading range you kind of go up and down. So if it goes down, healthcare kind of helps. If it goes up, technology helps. And so we'll stay in that area until something happens where the market breaks out or something like that, and then we'll rotate to some other sector.
So does that mean right now there's a lot of Apple stock in your portfolio? Because that's certainly been leading the way for tech.
Yes, it's about 6%. And we all know the story of Apple, and if it was any other company with 6%, I'd be worried. But this company just keeps on going. And if you look at the stock chart, the stock ran way up and topped in April, and it kind of bounced around. It looked like it might start to break down, and actually it's starting to turn up again. And they're going to have their new product announcement pretty soon, and so there's a lot of, I think, interest in that. So even though it's the biggest holding, I think it's like a stock of, once in a lifetime, and I think it's going to help the overall portfolio.
This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going
to enter in a new stage of tech.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things.
Apple reported earnings